So this USDCAD analysis for Wednesday, 21st of February. Now let's just look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come down towards pretty close to the 400 period moving average, finding support. We've had to move up towards the 200 period moving average, brief pull back down towards the 25-30, finding support, using it as a springboard for a move back up towards the above the 200 period moving average. Hold it to we use the 200 moving average as a dynamic level of support, so we act as resistance, brief pullback to 25-30. Had a brief pullback below, held it as support, and from there we used it as a springboard for a move up towards that 26.22, an area where we did see sell side momentum. We had a brief pullback at the 26.22 before seeing the upside break, and we do look poised for further upside momentum. Now these candles are getting a bit smaller here, which suggests there might be a retracement back down towards the 26.22. If we do see that retracement and we do hold that 26.22, we are looking for prices to head up towards if we do see that retracement back down towards that 26.22, we're looking for prices to head back up towards that 26.70. Successful break from which we're looking for price head up towards that 127 level, and a break from there, we're looking for prices head towards the 127.56. Just bear with me a second here. There it is, 127.56. I don't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 127.56. Here on the US dollar against Canadian dollar, even if we do see that retracement back down towards that 126.22. If we do see that retracement back down to 26.22, or if we do see that rejection from 26.70 and we aren't able to hold this 26.22, we will look at prices head down towards a 200 period moving average. 200 period moving average sitting currently at, let's just have a quick look, 200 period moving average sitting at the 125.63 level. Sitting at the 125.63. If we do see that sell side momentum come back into the market, successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards that 125.30. If we're not able to hold 125.30 as we have here in the past, we're looking for price head down towards that 125, likely a psychological level in around 125 and 124.86. We've also got the 200 period move, the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potential bounce towards that 125.30. Possibly beyond which we're looking for the 200 period moving average before looking for a move back up towards that 126.22. I can't anticipate prices moving much below the 124.86, but if we did move below the 124.86, 124.50, an area where we did find support previously, could be an area where we could head down to before finding further buy side momentum re-entering the market on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up USDCAD analysis here on the hourly chart. So we'll just head over to the daily chart just to see how prices are developing here on the USDCAD. If we head over to the, let's just have a quick look. So previously we've had this move upwards towards that 129, went into a bit of trading range, broke down, had a brief pullback, further breakdown, sell side momentum. We've had this move upwards, and we do look poised for further upside continuation. We've had this move upwards. We've posted a low there, higher low there. We do look poised for further upside continuation. Two very strong candles, a doji in between, but two very strong candles nonetheless. Look, we do look poised to test these most recent highs off the this bearish pin bar just there. So we do look poised to test those highs after posting these two bullish candles coupled with a bit of a doji. So we'll see how prices develop from here, but we are expecting further upside continuation, possibly heading back up towards that 200 period moving average here on the daily chart, and that 200 period moving average here is currently sitting at, just bear with me a second here. Let's just have a quick look. 200 period moving average is currently sitting in around the 127.24 level. So it's slightly below the 127.56. It's important to bear in mind because the 200 period moving average on a daily chart could potentially provide resistance. But we do look poised for further upside continuation on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.